Almost every government from the time of President Babangida have been trying to remove subsidy. But unfortunately, we've not been able to remove subsidy. But it is very clear to me that without removal of subsidy, our economy will continue to stand on one leg. And then you ask yourself, who are we really subsidizing? Are we actually subsidizing the common man? Or we are subsidizing the elite? I say that because kerosene, which is actually the preferred fuel of the common man, that is used for cooking, it's been deregulated a long time ago. Diesel, which is also the other fuel closest to the common man, it's been deregulated a long time ago. Petrol, which is actually the fuel of the elite, used in cars, has defied deregulation.